I mean, the view right now is pretty awesome. Without further ado, we made it.
Lo que nos espera, 2 horas caminando para poder disfrutar de el Infinity Pool.
My brother's been here before, so he's our tour guide for today, and I'm assuming the place must be very beautiful to see because he's done this hike 5 or 6 times already in a period of 1 year or less. Hope she's good in limbo. Well, she's short, so it's easier for her. 2 hours and a half later and we haven't gotten there. Today has been a challenge because it's very, very muddy, and I'm told by my brother that it's usually not this bad, so apparently we got this route on one of the worst times of taking this route. I'm more worried of going down than climbing up.
Bueno, está lloviendo. Tuvimos que pararnos aquí debajo de este tubo.
So we have to go up that stairs. I'm not sure if you can tell how steep it is. So behind me is the waterfall that falls from the infinity pool way on the top. So it's been a journey, I'll be honest. I'm not sure if I'll make this trip ever again. Without further ado, we made it. So we still have to go slowly. Look at this view. Ain't that something? I'm just curious of who found this place in the, to begin with. It's freaking freezing! Here we go, 1, 2. So we couldn't stay longer here and enjoy the famous infinity pool, but who knows? We'll probably do this trip again someday in the far, far future. So that's it for this one. To infinity and beyond. I had to say it. I'm sorry, I had to say it. I went there. Yeah. See ya. So my wife Erica is stuck in the mud.